How to refund items in Roblox. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can refund any item in Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your browser and search for roblox.com, and then you're going to click on continue in browser. So over here, you're going to click on this gear icon at the top right and then click on help and safety. Once you do so, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on help center. And you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Here, you're going to type in refund, click on search, and then you're going to click on the first result, that is unauthorized charges and refund requests. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Over here, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll be able to see this option, was this article helpful? And just at the top of that, you'll be able to see need more help, contact support here. So you're going to click on this one. And then you'll be able to see a form like this. So you're going to type down your username, your first name, your email address, and then type down your email address once again. And then you're going to type in what device are you having the problem on. So you're going to click on device type. In my case, it's iPhone. So I'm going to click on iPhone. And then you're going to type in the type of help category. So click on it. And over here, you're going to click on billing and payments. And then you're going to choose a subcategory. That is, in my case, I made a purchase and I didn't receive, or I want to report an unauthorized charge. So I'm going to click on I want to report an unauthorized charge, and then you're going to describe your issue. So you can type in something like this over here. That is, my child has bought Roblox without permission. Could this be refunded to the urgent payment method, please? Thank you. Click on continue and you're good to go. So that is basically how to refund items in Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.